Hello and welcome students to the section 4 Network Pen Testing Network Host Exploitation with AV Bypass Mechanism. In this section we are going to take a look at various points, like first of all we will learn about how you can install antivirus bypass frameworks. Then I will show you that how you can bypass Windows 10 Defender, Windows 10 antiviruses and various kind of interpreter commands. Installation of antivirus bypass frameworks. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. What are the frameworks available to bypass antivirus and Defender, and how you can install some appropriate frameworks inside Kali Linux operating system. So we need to open Kali Linux operating system and I will show you that how you can install some frameworks inside it. So guys, we are here at Kali Linux operating system. So inside Kali Linux, first of all you can open your browser and I will tell you that what are the frameworks available that you can use. In this section we are going to use two frameworks, that one is FetRat and the second is Viricatu, but there are other frameworks are also available that I'm going to tell you here. So first of all, on Google you can type here FetRat. You can simply download FetRat for Kali and hit enter. So you can see here that this is the GitHub link which you can use to download FetRat inside Kali Linux operating system. Let me tell you some more information, like download Whalemaster for Kali, again the GitHub link, and you can also try Viricatu. And again a GitHub link. So click on all the GitHub links. So first of all we are going to install the FetRat as well as the Viricatu. We are not going to install Whale Evasion, but you can also try Whale Evasion. Whale Evasion can be a replacement of these, right? But I will provide you information. So first of all we are going to download and install the FetRat. So first of all, read it. The FetRat is a massive exploit tool, easy tool to generate backdoor. So it is used to generate the backdoor, and easy tool to post exploitation attack like browser. The tool compiles a malware with popular payload. Generally it is, you can see here that malware that created with this tool also have an ability to bypass most antivirus software. So this is the feature that we are going to use in this section of FetRat. So how you can download it? Simply you can see here, click here and click download zip. And download the zip file of FetRat. Click save file and click OK. Now it is going to download inside your Kali Linux operating system. So here you can see that you just need to wait until it completes the installation procedure. Same thing you can do with Whalemaster, but we are not using Whalemaster inside our section, so you can use it later, doesn't matter. But Whalemaster is also, you can see here that Whale is no more supported. This is the updated version, so click here for the updated version. So this is the updated version, Whale 3.1x. You can also try Whale. You can click and download and use it. So let me close Whalemaster. This is Viricatu. So Viricatu is also a FUD payload, fully undetectable payload generator script, right? And I'm going to use Viricatu in the next video to bypass Windows 10 Defender, right? Again, to download Viricatu, you can simply click here, click download zip, and it will download inside your, this very small file, 7.7 KB. Click save file, click OK, and Viricatu has been saved. FetRat is basically a larger file, so it is taking time. So you can click on here to check the open containing folder, and you can wait for the completion of downloading process of FetRat. So guys, here you can see that both of the files have been downloaded here. You can see here that this is for FetRat master and this is Viricatu master. So you can click on open folder for FetRat. Let me click here, minimize it, and click on downloads folder. Inside download folder you will find this zip file, right? So it's quite easy. You can copy the zip file, and if you want you can paste it inside your desktop, or if you want you can paste it inside your home folder, doesn't matter. For example, if I pasted it inside my home folder, right? So you can also extract here, and if you don't want to put it inside your home folder, you can also extract the downloads folder here, right? For example, if you want to extract right here, so you can click open with the archive manager and click here, click extract and extract it. So you can see here that the zip file is extracting the FATRET folder inside our downloads, and it is completed successfully. So here it is, the FATRET-master. Double click here and here you will find these are the files available here. So first of all, we need to check that how to run. FATRET is available here and setup.sh is also available here. For example, if your system is not updated, then you need to run this setup.sh first and then FATRET. So for example, right click here, click open in terminal, and so here you can type ls to check all the files inside this folder, and here you will find setup.sh. so you can first of all you can type here chmod +x executed setup.sh, right? And you can type here /setup.sh and hit enter. So now it is checking that is there any broken dependencies or not, right? So you just need to wait, you just need to complete this process, all right? And after completion of this process, then do one thing, you can close it, right? And then you can run FATRET directly. First of all, run that updation completely. It will take some time, right? So run that updation part, and then when it will get completed, so then you need to run FATRET. So how you can run FATRET? Click open in terminal, and here you can type ls, and first of all we have done this process, right? I have provided you information. Now it's up to you that how you perform it. Now you can run FATRET. So first of all you can provide the permission to FATRET, chmod +x, and then you can run /FATRET and hit enter. So now it will check all the dependencies regarding FATRET. Because we have already done setup.sh, so it won't take much time to start FATRET inside Kali Linux operating system. Here you can see it is checking dependencies. So setup.sh has already updated my system. So you can see here that all the dependencies are already available inside my system. So here you can see that FATRET is running inside my Kali Linux operating system. It is asking that please enter to continue, hit enter. Again it is asking to enter and hit enter, and here you can see that FATRET is running inside my Kali Linux operating system. Without updation of setup.sh, you won't be able to run this file, alright? So this is all about the installation of FATRET. Close it. If you want to run it again, then go to the downloads folder, open that folder, and then you can run FATRET. Alright, now let me show you how you can do the Ziricatu. So this is Ziricatu. Story same with Ziricatu. So this is Ziricatu, right? And you can right click here, you can open an archive manager, click here, extract it and extract here. You can also replace it, ziricatu.sh. So Ziricatu is also available inside our system. Here it is, ziricatu-master, here it is, right? So to run this file, you just need to use ziricatu.sh, and if your system is fully updated, then it will run automatically. So open in terminal. I'm just telling you the method, right? You need to update it. Again you can type ls, and you need to provide the permission chmod +x ziricatu.sh, hit enter, and here you can type /ziricatu.sh and hit enter. So you can see here that Ziricatu is running inside our system. Now it is checking all the dependencies, and if all the dependencies are already there, because setup.sh has already updated our system, so all the dependencies are here, and here you can see the menu is available here. So how you can first of all try FATRET and then Ziricatu. So we have seen that how you can download and install FATRET and Ziricatu and Whalemaster inside Kali Linux operating system. We don't need Whalemaster, so I'm not going to download it. You can download it later. We are going to use Ziricatu and FATRET inside this section, and that we have learned that how you can download it properly. So guys, we have seen that how you can download and install Zerica 2, FatRat and Whalemaster, right? We are going to use these two inside our section. So this is all about this video, and in the next video we are going to bypass Windows 10 Defender and hack Windows 10 from Kali Linux using Zerica 2. Thank you.